How to make cold in Little Alchemy 2. In Little Alchemy 2, you can create cold using the following combinations: 1. Human plus wine 2. Rain plus wine 3. Wind plus mist 4. Wind plus ice. After creating cold, you can combine it with other elements to discover more items. Bonus 1. In Little Alchemy 2, cold can be combined with various elements to create new items. Here are some useful combinations. Cold combinations: 1. Cold plus water equals ice 2. Cold plus steam equals mist 3. Cold plus cloud equals snow 4. Cold plus rain equals snow 5. Cold plus human equals freezer 6. Cold plus metal equals refrigerator 7. Cold plus plant equals frost 8. Cold plus air equals snow. These combinations can lead to even more discoveries. 2. To make rain in Little Alchemy 2, follow these combinations: 1. Cloud plus water 2. Cloud plus mist. Once you have rain, you can combine it with other elements to create items like plants, rivers, and more.